All right, guys, 2011 Nissan Altima V6 Coupe. Check it out. What we've done on it is took off this converter. As you guys can see, very, very restrictive. I don't know if you guys can see in there. But we took it out. Disgusting. Anyways, I replaced it with a high flow converter, as you guys can see right there. And then it's got the factory converters there and there. Those are a pain in the butt to do, so we didn't do them. Just put the third one on. Then 2¼ pipe continues all the way back. Then he's got a Borla axle back kit there. As you guys can see, dual right there. Into 3.5-inch tips. So Borla axle back. I think it's an S-type. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. See what you guys think of it. He wanted a video, so we're like, we'll hook you up. We don't have one of these with a Borla on it. So it works out pretty good. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So as you guys can see, it is a Nissan Altima 3.5 SR. So there's not that many of them. It's clean for a daily. That's right at 94. Here's sound decibels. 94.2, 95. It's perfect. Again. It's perfect for a daily sound. And it fits this car because it's an SR, so it's the 3.5 liter V6. And it is a coupe. Nice stance on it, nice wheels. It's not overly done. It's really quiet at idle, and he says it doesn't drone at all, guys. Just want a little bit more sound out of it. That's why we put the high flow. Give him about 10% more sound. Perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Altima 2011 SR. Really nice car. Clean. Not bad, not bad. Here we go. I like it. Perfect. Perfect for a commuter.